Hi guys, in this session you are going to learn about joins in SQL. And the definition is SQL join statement is used to combine data or rows from two or more tables based on a common field between them. Simply, join is nothing but merging concept. Here we are joining two data sets based on a common variable between them. For explain about joins, I am creating two tables, and the first one is a one, and the variables are continent, country, and a production, and the second one is two. Variables are continent, country, and here the population. Continent, country are the common variables in the both data set. Here is the prod, here is the population, are the different variables in a two data set. Now we are going with the joins in an SQL, and the first one is inner join. Before going to learn about joins, first you have to know the merging concept in a SAS. If you learn already merging concept, you can easily understand the joins. And the first one is the inner join. It means we are getting a common observation from the both data set and nothing but if A and B like a merging concept. For that we are writing a code. Proc SQL create table MSQL is one, MSQL1 as already know how to write a proc SQL code here. Select A dot star. From A, I'm getting all the observation. From B, I'm adding population. From 1A, inner join, to B. Just like in equals to A and in equals to B, here 1A and 2 as a B. On A dot country equals to B dot country. Just like a by common variable, just in a merging concept we are using a common variable by. Just like that here we are using on A dot country equals to B dot country. And inner join is nothing but if A and B, just like compared to the data set. And I am just giving a title joining of 1 and 2 and a quit. Already you know in a SQL we are using a quit. First we run 1. Before opening dataset, log is clear. 1 has a 15 observations, and the next one we are running 2. Before opening dataset, log is clear. 2 has successfully created. Now we are running this proc SQL. Here log is clear, and MSQL1 is a creator, and here population is adding to the A dataset. From the A, I am getting all the observation. Why? Because A dot star, and here I am adding population variable to the A. And I am giving inner join. What does that mean? Common observation from the both data set. Okay. Here only common. Here 12 is there. In A we have a 15. In B we have a 12. Then what are the common observation from those? Only 12. Or you got it? Here what is the extra one? Here Australia is there. In the 2 there is a no Australia. It means we are getting only common. In the A we have Asia, Africa, America and Australia in the A, but in the B we have only Asia, Africa and America. That's why in the MSQL1 we are getting only common observation from the both data set and that too in the adding variable. Here if you observe clearly, then what is the difference between merging and join? In the merging concept we are adding two data sets. But in the join, we are adding one variable to the one data set. Here we are not adding all the variables from this data set. We are just adding one variable. Are you got it? In the SQL joins, we are adding only one variable to the another data set. And the next one is full join. Just like if A or P. Then what is the code here? Proc SQL create table MSQL4 as select A dot star and a B dot population and from 1A just like in A and a full join to B and on A dot country equals to B dot country and a quit. If you observe one more thing here, there is a no need of sorting before join. In the merging concept there is the necessary for sorting the variables in the two data set, but if you use a proc SQL, there is no need of sorting. We are doing a full join, nothing but if A or B is nothing but all the observation from the both the data set from the A, and whatever we adding that variable, all the observation adding to this data set. Now we are running this. Log is clear, MSQL4. We are getting all the observation from the both the data set. That's why we are getting a 15 here. Full join, inner join is nothing but if A and B. Full join is nothing but if A or B. The next one, left join, nothing but if A. What is an if A? All the observation from A and common observation from B. And the code is everything is same. Proc SQL create table MSQL2 as select A dot star B dot population. I am just adding a same variable for every join. Why? Because for easy understand. And from 1A left join 2B on A dot country equals to B dot country. Here we are using the left join. Left join is nothing but if A. Already we know about that. We are running this code. Log is clear. MSQL2. Left join is nothing but what? If A. Okay, in the A we have a 15 and we are getting all the observation from A and same observation and common observation from B. Simply for the Australia there is a no value. Why? Because in a B there is a no Australia continent. That's why we are getting missing for the Australia continent. The remaining are the same. Okay, and the next one, simply the right join if B. Already you know all the observation from B and common observation from A. Okay, now the code is everything is same. Proc SQL create table MSQL3 as select A dot star B dot population from 1A. It means in equals to A, and the right join nothing but if B, and 2B on A dot country equals to B dot country. And now we are running proc SQL. Before opening dataset, MSQL is created successfully. And what does that mean if B? Here it is the A, here it is the B. If B, all the observation from B and only common observation. It means we are not getting Australia in MSQL3. Yes, we are not getting Australia. Why? Because it's not common to the B. The next one, we are getting some warnings. Then what are those? For that I am writing code. Proc SQL create table MSQL5 as select A dot star and B dot continent. Here I am using a continent here from 1A inner join 2B on A dot country equals to B dot country, and I am giving a title joining of 1 and 2 and run. Then what are the warnings we are getting? If you write code like this, variable continent already exists on file MSQL5. What I am telling already, if the variable proc SQL, we can add only one variable, and that particular variable will be not exist on the first data set. Here the population is not there in a 1, but the continent is already exist in the 1. It means we can't able to add same name variables from the two data set. And one more advantage with the proc SQL, we are not getting merge by repeat statement in this, and there is no need of sorting the data set before join. And but one disadvantage is we can't able to add 2 or more variables to the data set. We can only add one variable at a time to the one data set, and that to different variable. For easy understand, I am converting this proc SQL into merging concept. Then how it will be, and I am just converting this proc SQL into merging data MSQL1 and merge. Here the first data set is 1, and in the bracket in equals to A, 2 in equals to B in operator. Now on A dot country equals to B dot country. What does it mean? By EOUNTRY, by country. And one more thing, inner join. What is an inner join is nothing but if A and B and run. And before that already you know, when we merging we have to sorting those two data set, proc sort data equals to 1 by country and run, and the same for 2. Here is the 2, and for understand I am just adding underscore. First I am already running MSQL1. Okay, this is our output with the 12 observations. Now we are running this merging concept MSQL1 underscore with the 12 observation, same output. Like this you can convert all the joins into a data set. You can easily understand what happened inside the joins. Please subscribe my channel, click the bell icon, like the video and comment below, share with your friends. Thank you. Support me.